This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery renewal. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell, release the secondary catch, open the bonnet and support it with the bonnet stay. The battery is located at the front, left-hand side of the engine compartment, viewed from the driver's seat. Open the battery jacket if one is fitted. Make a note of the old battery specifications before you buy a new one. Also check the date stamp for a possible warranty claim. Disconnect the lead at the negative terminal by unscrewing the retaining nut and removing the terminal clamp. Note that the battery negative and positive terminal connections are stamped on the battery case. Disconnect the lead at the positive terminal by lifting the plastic terminal cover, unscrewing the retaining nut and removing the terminal clamp. If necessary, the auxiliary lead may also be unbolted from the terminal. Unscrew the retaining bolt and remove the battery clamp. Carefully lift the battery from its location and remove it from the car. Make sure the battery is kept upright at all times. Place the battery on the tray. Fit the battery securing clamp and tighten the bolt. Reattach the positive terminal first and then the negative terminal. A coating of Vaseline will help prevent corrosion.